Hello and welcome. ChatGPT has an image editor. You can ask ChatGPT to create a specific image, and you can edit that image using DALL-E. You can ask ChatGPT to create an image prompt for you. You click Enter. ChatGPT will then write the prompt for you, and you can be as detailed as you want. You can then take ChatGPT's prompt. You can then enter it into your dialog box, and you can make any changes that you need to make. Once you have the new prompt, you can then click Enter, and ChatGPT will start the process of creating the image that you have requested. You can then click on top of the image, and what you'll see on the right side menu is that you have your dialog screen, but you'll also have an editing screen here in the main canvas. In order to edit the image, what you can do is you can click on this element, and you can then click Select. And basically, you can then edit the image by hovering over the area that you want to edit. For example, we can make our cursor smaller. We can then highlight the element that we want. So in this particular case, we can highlight this element. We can then click Enter. And we can ask ChatGPT to honor the request that we have made inside of the image. And typically your image will reflect some change, and many times it will reflect the change that you requested. In order to see the prompt, you can click on this element. You will then see the prompt that generates this specific element. You'll see any changes inside of that prompt. When you're ready to download the image, you can click this element and you can then click Save. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.